Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will show you how to make a reverse applique Christmas pillow out of the 2 kitchen towels from Dollar Tree. And also, if you want to see a different version, which is a red and black buffalo check kitchen towel, I have done it live through my Facebook page. I will link it in the description below if you want to see that version of the pillow. But for now, let's move on with the DIY, and I will show you all the supplies and step-by-step instructions how to do this. Okay, so for this project, you will need one kitchen towel from a Dollar Tree, and I have a second part of my another kitchen towel from the Dollar Tree. I already used one of the folded one, so this is gonna be for this. Then you will need a piece of paper, which is a paper that you line up for your cookie baking sheet, so that, and I'll use also a bow. And I have a tutorial, I'll link it in the cards below or above at the end of this video, how I made this bow, a marker, a scissors, a glue gun with a fabric glue sticks from the Share Bonder, and that's pretty much it what we need for this project. To start, I lined up my tree, then I'm gonna place this permanent paper, and I'm gonna trace the tree just like that and cut it out, and then I'll place it back on my inside out where I want the tree to be, and I'll outline it with my marker. Okay, so I outlined the tree. So now I'm gonna, as you can tell, it's on the opposite side of a towel. This is the front, this is the flip side of the towel. So I'm gonna make a little hole in the center, and then I'm gonna try cut the shape out of it. Then after that, I'll show you the next step. Okay, so I cut my template, as you can tell. So now I'm gonna line up my other towel and stretch it out so it doesn't look all, uneven. So I'm gonna flip it over to show you how it should look. There you go. And now I'm gonna start gluing it. Okay, so I glued it together. As you can tell, it's all nice and lined up. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm going to start gluing my towel by using the fabric glue. And when I get to this side, I will leave like a little bit of opening, which I will be using to stuff the pillow. So then when it's all stuffed up, I will use my glue and secure this opening as well. Okay, so I secured all my openings. I only left a little hole right here. And to stop it, I'm gonna use the pillow from Walmart. Let me show it to you real quick. This is what it looks like. It's the cheapest one. So I used mine for 3 pillows. So I'm gonna open the new one and put it inside. So after that, I'm gonna rough up edges a little bit to give it like a little vintage rustic look, which I like it. You don't have to. And we will decorate with the bow on the other side. Okay, so this is done. This is how it looks on this side, and this is how it looks on this side. So on this side, as I told you, I'm gonna glue this cute little bow, and after I glue it, I will adjust the little tails so it doesn't cover my sign, and we'll be done.